Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two prerequisites. Update iOS and make sure the app you want supports critical alerts. Open the app and accept its notification permission, prompt when requested. Once done, go to Settings so you can change app-level notification behavior. This is the only route Apple allows for critical alert control. Make sure the app has asked for and received the special entitlement. Without that, you cannot create or assign a critical alert sound on the iPhone. Next, go directly to Settings, then Notifications and tap the specific app. Turn on sounds and toggle critical alerts. If the app exposes an internal sound selector, use it to choose the alert tone. Many apps include their own sound choices because iOS won't let you add arbitrary system-wide critical tones. Once toggled, make sure the app's permissions reflect allowed sounds. Otherwise, the phone will play the app's default critical tone. This step ties the entitlement to audible behavior. To finish, trigger a test critical alert from the app or ask the service to send one. If you don't hear it, confirm focus or do not disturb isn't blocking critical exceptions, then restart the iPhone. If problems persist, reinstall the app and regrant notification permissions. As a last step, reset Settings General Transfer, or reset iPhone reset network settings, or reset all settings. This fixes permission glitches and usually restores critical alert sound behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.